White smoke coming from your Instant Pot Vortex? Here's what it means. If your air fryer is putting out light white smoke, especially early in a cook, don't panic. It's usually from moisture or fat content, and it's fixable. Here's what to do. Step 1. Pat dry your ingredients before air frying. Wet veggies, soaked meats, or just washed fries can release steam that looks like white smoke. Blot your food with paper towels before loading to reduce water vapor and stop the foggy plume. Step 2. Use a silicone mat to reduce fat splatter. If you're cooking greasy meats like bacon, sausage, or burgers, white smoke is often just fat hitting the coil and vaporizing. I use a mesh silicone liner to catch splatter. It keeps oil from flying up and cuts down smoke without blocking airflow. Step 3. Don't add water to the chamber. Some users try adding water to reduce smoke, but that makes it worse. The Vortex isn't designed for steaming or wet cooking. Adding water will create more vapor and can damage the unit over time. Step 4. Spray oil on food, not in the basket. Only use oil with a high smoke point, like avocado or canola, and apply it to the food directly. Spraying oil into the chamber or on the coil can cause flare-ups and visible smoke. A light mist on the food is enough to help it crisp and stay quiet. Step 5. Check seasoning and rubs for sugar. Some seasoning blends contain sugar, which can caramelize or burn under high heat. If you're getting like white smoke and a sticky smell, that's often the cause. Switch to sugar-free blends or reduce the temp slightly for better results. If your Vortex is still smoking every time you use it, even after drying and adjusting how you load it, there may be residue near the coil or a sensor issue. In that case, contact Instant Support using the link in the description. If this helped you stop the smoke and understand what's normal, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you're cooking fatty food often, I've linked the mesh silicone mat I use below. It catches grease without blocking airflow and keeps your fryer running clean. Thanks for watching, and dry it before you fry it.